So while there's an inflow of magma into this crack, it's quite likely that the lava will reach the surface and we will have an eruption. But if the lava flow will stop, it can stagnate inside this crack and there will not be an eruption.
They are always followed by the rescue squad and the police because it's a danger zone. You're not allowed to go there without being escorted by police and rescue squads. And as usual, we cannot possibly say where exactly an eruption will start, but we still consider it more likely than not that there will be an eruption.
Já. Var þið að setja þetta upp? Kannski ekki þungur.